Good morning, students. Today I have brought few more examples, few more sums based on exponents. And I'm sure if you look at this carefully and solve it, practice it, I'm sure in the board examinations, in any examination, you'll be able to solve any kind of exponent questions based on exponents I mean. So let's begin with. This is the whole sum. Prove that x to the power a minus b, I mean 1 by a minus b, and to the power 1 by a minus c into x to the power 1 by b minus c to the power 1 by b minus a into x to the power 1 minus 1 by c minus a to the power 1 by c minus b is equal to 1. So we have to prove this, that it will be equal to 1. Let's start. We'll take LHS first, sorry. See here it is very clear, power के ऊपर power है, power to the power, so it will be multiplied. So what will we can write it? X 1 by a minus b multiplied by 1 by a minus c into x to the power 1 by b minus c and multiplied by 1 by b minus a. And similarly x to the power 1 by c minus a multiplied by 1 by c minus b. Now all this same number x, 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 and they are being multiplied, so we can add this power as per the law of components. So we can write it x 1 minus b multiplied by 1 minus a minus c, sorry, plus all this power will be added 1 by b minus c into 1 by b minus a and into 1 by c minus a and c minus b. Okay. Now we will add all these numbers, this, and this. If you look at carefully, let me write it and explain you then. It is 1 by a minus b and a minus c, sorry, this is c, sorry, a minus c plus here it is b minus c and this is b minus a. Since I have a minus b, I will make it also a minus b. So I have to change the order. So 1 by, I will make b, this is b minus c, no problem, and this is b minus a, I am making it a minus b. I am changing the sign. A is minus, now here it is plus, and b is plus, here I am writing minus. So मैंने साइन चेंज कर दिया है. तो साइंस चेंज करने के तो उपाय ये है कि मैं इस बाहर में एक माइनस साइन लिख देता हूँ. तो अगर मैं बाहर में माइनस साइन लिखता हूँ, नाउ दिस इज वैलिड. सिमिलरली क्योंकि मैं a माइनस बी और a माइनस बी इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता हूँ, सिमिलरली प्लस यहाँ पे मेरा a माइनस सी है, here we have c minus a. I'm changing this one also. C, I will write instead of c minus a, I will write a minus c. So मैं a minus c लिख रहा हूँ और c minus b we will write b minus c. मैंने दोनों को चेंज कर दिया. So इसके बदले में एक माइनस साइन और इसके बदले में भी एक माइनस साइन, बिकॉज आई एम चेंजिंग द ऑर्डर. माइनस माइनस मिलके फिर प्लस हो गया, तो इट मेक्स नो डिफरेंस, आई कैन चेंज इट. अभी सारे बराबर हो गए. a माइनस बी, आई हैव a माइनस बी, a माइनस बी, आई हैव a माइनस सी, a माइनस सी, एंड आई हैव b माइनस सी, b माइनस सी. So it's very clear. If I take the LCM will be a minus b, then a minus c, and then b minus c. Now here it will be, since a minus b and a minus c is on the downside, if I divide this LCM by a minus b, a minus c, a minus b, a minus c will be cancelled. I'm left with b minus c. So I'm writing b minus c. Then plus minus will become minus. Here it is plus and this is minus. This sign will become minus. B minus c, a minus b. So b minus c, a minus b. So I am left with a minus c. A minus c into 1 will be a minus c. A minus c. And then plus, if this one is, this LCM is divided by a minus c into b minus c. So I am left with a minus b. So I'll write a minus b. So if you look at it, it's very clear. Let me write it down. This can be written as b minus c, and this minus sign if I apply, minus a, and minus c will become plus c, plus c. And then again plus a minus b. Here it is a minus b. And downside it is simply a minus b, a minus c, and b minus c as usual. Here it is very clear, we can cancel out b and minus b, minus c and plus c, and a and minus a and plus a. So what I have, x to the power, this becomes 0, 0 by a minus b, a minus c, and b minus c. So 0 by anything is 0 again. So this can be written as x to the power 0 by a minus b, a minus c, b minus c becomes x to the power 0 ultimately. And anything having power 0 becomes 1. So this is 1. Proved. RHS proved. Let me explain you once again. This is the sum to prove that x to the power 1 by a minus b, to the power a minus c into x to the power 1 minus b 1 by b minus c to the power 1 by b minus a into x to the power 1 by c minus a to the power 1 by c minus b, and we have to prove it 1. We'll take the LHS and we can write power to the power, so it will be multiplied. So we can multiply x to the power 1 by a minus b into 1 by a minus c, and this becomes x to the power 1 by b minus c into 1 by b minus a. Similarly, this 1 by c minus a into 1 by c minus b. Now since all are x, the same x into x into x, we can add the power. Power will be added. So we can write it like this: x to the power 1 by a minus b into a minus c, then plus 1 by b minus c into 1 by b minus a plus 1 by c minus a into c minus b. Now we will apply simple fractional formula for adding the fractions, rational numbers. So we take the LCM of a minus b, a minus b, a minus c, b minus c, b minus a, and c minus a, c minus b. And to make it very simple, so we will change the order. This is a minus b, and here it is, this is a minus b, and here it is b minus a. See, a minus b, and here it is b minus a. We'll change the order to make it simple. And if I change the order, I have to change the sign as well. So मैंने यहाँ पे sign change के लिए यहाँ minus लिख दिया, this minus, and I have changed the order. Similarly, मैंने c minus a, I have changed the order. It has become a minus c, so मैंने minus लिखा, and I have changed the order of c minus b also. It becomes b minus c. तो इसके लिए भी minus और इसके लिए minus. So I have changed the both. So minus and minus, 2 minus become plus. So makes no difference. But here it will be minus, and plus minus will be minus. Now it is very simple. A minus b, a minus c, b minus c, a minus b, a minus c, b minus c. If I take the LCM, it becomes a minus b, a minus c, b minus c. Now, as per the rule of rational numbers, addition of rational numbers, I will divide LCM by the denominator, a minus b, a minus c. If you divide it by a minus b, a minus c, so I'm left with b minus c. I have written b minus c. Here minus plus minus, so I have changed the sign. If LCM is divided by b minus c, a minus b, so I am left with a minus c. And similarly here, if it is divided by, this LCM is divided by a minus c, b minus c, it becomes, I am left with a minus b. So all these are cancelled. I change the sign, minus a plus c. Now this is b minus c minus a plus c plus a minus b. So it becomes 0. X to the power 0 by a minus b, a minus c, b minus c. So 0 by a minus b, a minus c, b minus c becomes 0. And x to the power 0, anything having power 0 becomes 1. So RHS is proved. The next sum is find the value of fifth root of 5x plus 2 is equal to 2. So we have to find the value of x. The sum is fifth root of 5x plus 2 is equal to 2. So here we'll put 5 power on the both side, putting power 5 on both sides. So this will become 1 by 5x plus 2 with power 1 by 5 and then upon power 5 on here also to the power 5. So power to the power again, so we can multiply both the powers, 5x plus 2, and then power and power will be multiplied, 1 by 5 into 5, and this is very simple, 2 to the power 5 will write. Power is 5 is cancelled, so this becomes 5x plus 2 to the power 1, so it's becomes 5x plus 2, and this is 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Write it like that. If you multiply, it will become 32. So clearly 5x will be, this is 32 and this 2 goes that side, so 32 minus 2, so 5x is equal to 30 and x will be equal to 30 by 5, that is 6. So the value of x is 6. And this is the answer. Explain you once again. Find the value of x, and the sum is root under 5, fifth root of 5x plus 2 is equal to 2. So we'll put 5 power on both the sides, LHS and RHS. So here we have put power 5 on LHS and RHS. So it becomes 5x plus 2 to the power 1 by 5 and to the power 5, and 2 also to the power 5. Now here power upon power will be multiplied, 5x plus 2 and 1 by 5 into 5, power all multiplied, 5 and 5 will be cancelled, so 5x plus 2 is left, and to the power 1 makes no difference, and 2 to the power 5. Now we can write 5x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 32. So for this 2 goes that side, so 5x is equal to 32 minus 2, 5x is equal to 30 and x is equal to 6. Very easy, and hope you understood. So students, we are done for the day, and practice these two sums again and again, and you will be able to solve it by your own. So see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Goodbye.